Selco model HS-12HD horizontal baler. Hydraulic pump on this is powered by a 20 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. Baler makes 72 by 30 by 36 inch bales. Bale chamber and door. Controls. Hopper. Main disconnect. Hydraulic power unit with the aforementioned 20 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. Charging the pump. That pushes the platen forward. Now we'll open the door and show you a little closer. Okay. Retract your position. The platen's coming forward. There's a shear knife.
But we'll have to have the door closed.
Electric eye operates when the door is closed.
Hit control reset.
Yeah, we'll simulate full hopper when the platen goes forward. Has approximately 15-second cycle time. Door in the opening position.